Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC tries to still give us potentially one more high, okay? So that's possible. One more high in this wave 1 before this wave 2 starts, but it doesn't need it. So the support level for wave 2 is already defined. If we zoom out, even though the microstructure suggests there could be another high, zooming out, it tells us basically that we already have 5 waves up. Yeah, so just see, 1 second, let me change the wave degree of those main waves. So yeah, we have 5 waves up of the September low. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, which again could still give us another high for 2 reasons. First reason is that the ideal target for that 5th wave here hasn't been reached, or it was missed by a cent. That's okay, but would still be nice to get it. So that's sort of the ideal range between $1.11, $1.24. Then we are so far holding the trend line and the micro support area at 92.2 cents. And yeah, from a wave count point of view, the last move up is a C wave. So ideally, we get 5 clear waves, but you know, we're nearly there anyway. And the main benefit here of using Elliott wave is to understand that looking at this, we've got 5 waves up, which makes any pullback potentially interesting as a corrective structure to basically get into a position to trade the 3rd wave higher, which should happen obviously afterwards. So while at the micro level, one more high could happen, this is sort of what I'm focused on next. So, if it does this, or comes down directly, we'll see. Bear in mind that in bullish markets, pullbacks can be shallow. And again, I will not rule out another high. In fact, at the moment, it's still expected because we're holding the micro support area, micro support level. But yeah, as soon as this wave 1 is complete, this is going to be the pullback zone, support zone. That means that the main support, everything that happens here is noise. But as long as the 58 cent level is holding, we should see a really good 2024 for MATIC. Yeah, talking about $3 to $4 and beyond, and possibly $10 as a bull market target. So the closer we can get to the 78.6 retrace, the better from a reward to risk point of view. But it might never come down that much, okay? So it might only touch the 80 cent level. And to be honest, I even need to adjust the support area if we get another high. So let's assume the price even climbs to 124. The new support area will be between 60 and 87 cents. So, but yeah, certainly it means with 5 waves up, any pullback is basically an opportunity because it indicates that an uptrend has begun, not only on the multi-hour charts, but we actually now have an Elliott wave structure that suggests we have a move into the larger trend direction, which is up. And that suggests that the pullback should be a 3-wave move. Whenever we get 5 waves into, let's say, into the upside direction, then it increases probabilities that in any pullback, a higher low can form. Okay, and in any pullback, we are going to watch for an ABC structure. So either from here or from up there, A, B, C, to form basically a corrective structure. So it's not going to be a straight line, but we've seen in the bull market, or in recent weeks, months, that the wave 2s can be shallow. So you can use the 58 cent level, I think, as main support level to calculate your position size, and you might want to DCA in against that level. There are different ways how to do this, but I will certainly add if we get a more decent pullback here at some point. Obviously, we'll see how the market reacts to the ETF announcement, which I think is coming out on the 10th of January. So we'll see. That could trigger some volatility, some distortions on the chart. I think there is time to still form that 5th wave to the upside here. Again, that's still at the moment expected, would be ideal. Before that, and maybe then we get a bit of a sell the news event. In the very short term, the market has reacted to this trend line, but it's too small, that reaction, to make it reliable and already confirm that the 5th wave is unfolding. It's already a very deep wave 4. So I don't, it's not really broken below the 50% fib level even. So I think we can give it a chance still to rally in wave 5. But obviously it's already quite a deep retracement, especially when considering the depth of wave 2. So I'm just watching here the 92-cent level. Below that level, it gets increasingly likely that the wave 2 has started. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.